UPSC is one of the toughest exams of India, and the person who passed the exam become a IAS officer, and then he has to do work under politicians, and a few of them get appointed as the secretary of politicians. And this is the system of our country, where educated and intelligent persons are appointed as the to give them advice. So good morning all of you. Today I am going to deliver a speech on politics. So in our country, FVTP system is politicians are appointed through FVTP system, which according to which person who get most number of votes wins the election. And therefore politicians lie and make fake promises to win the election, and then they enjoy their life after becoming the politician, and they live a luxury life. This was about normal politicians. Now I will talk about famous politicians like CM and PM. So when we hear word CM, the first name comes in our mind is Mr. Yogi Adityanath, the CM of UP. He has one target, that is to kill the people who create violence, and he also destroyed and broke many houses of gangsters, and he is also known as Bulldozer Baba because he has destroyed many people's houses. And but he is famous, he is favorite of many Indian people. Now I would talk about the most intelligent politician of our country, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, the CM of Delhi. He is really doing great work. According to me, no one else can. It is not everyone's cup of tea to control Delhi like he is doing. He has made Delhi a very good education city and state. As we can see, he also focuses on government things like government schools, government hospitals of Delhi. As we can see, government schools and hospitals of Delhi are too good than ours. But he is lacking in controlling crimes in Delhi. But we have to admit one thing, that no one is perfect. Now I would talk about the CM of our state, Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. To be honest, I don't like him. He is really busy in making his sisters favorite and becoming a favorite brother of his sisters. He recently visited to Washington DC, and I saw interview of him. He said that I have visited enough on the roads of Washington DC. Now I can proudly say that the roads of MP are far better than these. Now you can understand that there is no limit for politicians to tell lie. They lie a lot. I don't want to talk about PM, let him change the currencies and ban them. According to me, politicians should focus on government things. They should focus on government hospitals and schools, as many poor people die due to not getting better treatment, and our doctors are not responsible. And poor people can't even study well because government schools teachers don't focus on their students. They are irresponsible in their works. Politicians must add some facilities in government hospitals, and also focus on government teachers. According to me, the politicians must focus on corruption, as corruption is a common thing of our country. People corrupt a lot. If corruption is removed, then many decisions will be taken in the favor of poor people, and equality will be there. In the end, I will say that our country is going well, as we can't compare our country with the countries like America and Japan. We should look on our country's population, as there is a lot population most in the world. Then it is difficult to control the population. Even when you get married, you can't control your wife. Then how can you expect from our politicians to control the whole country? Thank you.